Most plumbing companies don't lose jobs because of lack of skill. They lose jobs because scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing break down during busy days. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, plumbing software is not just a tool. It is the system that keeps your entire business from falling into chaos when calls start stacking up. In this video, you'll learn the best software for plumbing companies in 2026, what each one is built for, and which one actually fits your business size and workflow. Let's start with one of the most widely used platforms, Jobber. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized plumbing businesses that need simple scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. A plumber like Alex can receive job details on mobile, update job status on site, and send invoices immediately after finishing a repair. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is very easy to use, which means your team can learn it quickly. But it may feel limited if your plumbing business starts handling complex commercial jobs or advanced workflows. Next is Housecall Pro Toy. Housecall Pro focuses heavily on automation and customer communication. A plumbing business owner like Jake can send automatic appointment reminders, collect payments on the spot, and keep customers updated without manual follow-ups. But here's the problem. As your team grows, you may notice that deeper customization options are not as flexible as more advanced systems. Third is ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is built for large plumbing and home service companies. It handles scheduling, dispatching, call booking, reporting, marketing, and even sales tracking. This is where ServiceTitan becomes powerful. It is designed to scale operations across multiple teams and locations. But it is also expensive and can be overwhelming for smaller plumbing businesses. Now let's talk about Workiz. Workiz is great for mobile plumbing teams that need fast communication and simple job management. A technician like John can receive dispatch updates, track calls, and manage jobs directly from his phone. It is lightweight, fast, and very practical for small service businesses. However, it does not offer deep enterprise-level tools. Finally, we have Service Fusion. Service Fusion offers an all-in-one system for plumbing companies, including scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, GPS tracking, and customer management. Now here is the key insight most plumbing owners miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every single day without confusion or delays. So let's simplify it. If you want something simple and fast, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, Housecall Pro works well. If you are scaling a large plumbing company, ServiceTitan is the most powerful option. If you want mobile-first speed, Workiz is efficient. And if you want a balanced all-in-one system, Service Fusion is a solid option. The biggest mistake plumbing business owners make is choosing software based on hype instead of daily workflow needs. That leads to wasted money and systems that sit unused. So the takeaway is simple. The best plumbing software is the one that matches how your team works in the field, not how impressive the dashboard looks. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.